Check this out. She's just given birth. Piglet still has the umbilical cord hanging on here. That's crazy. These pigs have just given birth. There's umbilical cord dead piglets after birth everywhere. And there's a piglet here having some type of seizure. I've never seen this before. Oh my God, dude. As you can see here as well, there's another piglet who looks like they're dying. I can't see them surviving. This is awful. And this here is actually, looks like a piglet that didn't develop inside of a sack. This is awful, but I'm gonna peel it back so you can see. Look. See? That's a piglet. What the hell is going on in here? It's just awful, man. She's starting to bleed again. So this mother has just given birth to another dead piglet here. So amongst her is a piglet having a seizure, a dead piglet in a sack here, and another dead piglet just being born. We've got them right at the end of their gestation, right when they've been put in this farrow crate to give birth, and look how many die. Look how many are born defective and just dead in the pen.